Our flag raising ceremony will be led by Mayor Nelson S. Legacion, Vice Mayor Cecilia B. Veluz de Asis, the members of the Sangguniang Panlungsod. To assist them is Police Colonel Marlon M. Catan to lead the flag raising ceremony. Audio of the Philippine National Anthem will be played, and the Philippine flag will be displayed at half-staff. Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine National Anthem. The wreath-laying ceremony will be hosted by the civilian host, Mayor Nelson S. Legacion, and Police Colonel Marlon M. Catan of the Naga City Police Office as military host. Will lead the wreath-laying ceremony together with the members of the Sangguniang Panlungsod as ceremony entourage. To carry the wreath and honor guards are the officers and personnel of the Naga City Police Office. The taps and mabuhay will be played through audio. After the laying of the main wreath, wreaths of the following will be offered from the Order of the Free Accepted Masons of the Philippines and the Order of the Knights of Rizal. now come to the wreath offering of the various organizations. We first have the wreath to be offered by the Order of the Free and Accepted Masons of the Philippines. Followed by the Order of the Knights of Rizal. The wreath now is being offered by the members of the orders, our sirs of the Order of the Knights of Rizal. Ladies and gentlemen, that ends our part 1. We now come to the part 2 of our program, the tribute to our national hero, Dr. Jose P. Rizal. Good morning again, everyone. Welcome to the 124th commemoration of the martyrdom of our national hero, Dr. Jose P. Rizal.
Once again, we wish to acknowledge our city officials present. We have the Honorable Mary Kylie Francine Tripulca, the Honorable Antonio Dodit Beltran, the Honorable Jess Albios, the Honorable Joe Perez, who is celebrating his birthday today. The Honorable Gregorio Greg Abunal, the Honorable Hil Oying Rosales, and of course our City Mayor, the Honorable Nelson Ligacion. We also wish to acknowledge Dr. Manny Di Guzman, our school's Division Superintendent of DepEd Naga. We also wish to acknowledge Councilor Lito Del Rosario, the Order of the Free and Accepted Masons of the Philippines. We have Worshipful Master Erecto S. Caroche of the Camarines Sur Masonic Lodge, number 382. Very Worshipful Michael G. Co, District Deputy Grand Master, Region 5A, Worshipful Master Jasper S. Peñaflor, Naga City Masonic Lodge number 257. We also wish to acknowledge Councilor Barry Del Castillo, the Order of the Knights of Rizal, Sir Virgilio S. Salvador, Commander, Knights of Rizal, as well as the Naga City Police Office, headed by Police Colonel Marlon M. Catan. We also wish to acknowledge the Deputy Director for Administration of the Naga City Police Office, Police Lieutenant Colonel Errol Garchitorena. Again, may we invite everyone to please stand for the prayer, as well as the message from the Order of the Knights of Rizal, to be led by Sir Virgilio S. Salvador.